Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of CESS Network and its native token, $CESS, covering everything from its purpose to where and how you can acquire it. We'll touch on the increasing interest in this exciting project and its token. Oh, what exactly is CESS Network? It's a decentralized cloud storage solution that leverages blockchain technology to ensure security and transparency, offering a compelling alternative to traditional centralized storage providers. Key benefits include scalability, security, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. This makes it suitable for a variety of use cases, including enterprise data storage, NFT storage, and Web3 applications. ETs delve into the $CESS token itself. The token symbol is, naturally, $CESS. Its primary purpose within the network is incentivizing storage providers, facilitating payments for storage services, and enabling governance participation. The tokenomics include details about the total supply, distribution mechanism, and any staking and rewards programs that might be available. Where can you buy $CESS? It's currently listed on several exchanges, including xt.com, Gate.io, and BitGet. Let's take xt.com as an example and explain the general steps. First, create an account on xt.com. Then, complete their KYC verification process. Next, deposit funds, typically USDT, and navigate to the $CESS/USDT trading pair to place a buy order. Similar steps apply to Gate.io and BitGet, although each platform may have its own specific nuances or promotions. Focusing on xt.com, the process begins with account creation and verification. You'll need to provide the necessary information and documents to comply with KYC requirements. Once verified, you can deposit funds, usually USDT, into your xt.com account. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface, locate the $CESS/USDT pair, and then place your buy order. Finally, you can withdraw your $CESS to your personal wallet. Always remember to practice sound security habits when trading on exchanges. Similarly, when buying $CESS on Gate.io, you will begin with account creation and verification, followed by depositing funds. Navigate their trading interface to find the $CESS pair you wish to trade. Place your buy order and, after the transaction is complete, withdraw your $CESS. Keep an eye out for Gate.io specific features, such as copy trading, which could be relevant to your trading strategy. For on BitGet, the procedure is much the same: account creation and verification, depositing funds, navigating the trading interface, placing your buy order, and withdrawing your $CESS. Explore BitGet specific features like P2P trading to see if they align with your investment goals. If applicable, it's important to understand the CESS network chain integration. This includes an overview of the CESS chain itself, focusing on its consensus mechanism and key features. Consider how the $CESS token is used within the CESS chain and the potential benefits this chain offers to the broader ecosystem. Before you dive into trading or investing, remember security is paramount. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams, which are prevalent in the crypto space. Store your private keys and seed phrases securely, and fully understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading before committing any funds. Recap: we've covered the basics of CESS Network, the utility of the $CESS token, and where and how you can potentially buy it. We encourage you to conduct further research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. You can find more information on the CESS Network website, their official social media channels, and in their white paper. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.